crazy world, you've arrived at that's a pretty crazy idea. And me, I'm John.
Hi. My Honda, it's had quite a bit of a workout so far. I've replaced the fuel regulator, adjusted the tappets, cleaned out the PCV and EGR channels. The EGR channel is completely blocked. Replaced the PCV valve. Still not sure whether well, I cleaned out the PCV channel, but I know it's clean now, but I can't remember whether it was completely blocked like the EGR channels. Checked that the cat was not clogged, and it had already been hollowed out, so didn't have to worry about that. Checked the fuses and changed the minor relays to the major locations where I needed them. I replaced the clutch master cylinder, the slav cylinder, and a couple of the pipes, and I cleaned out the fuel sock so far. Now I'm not sure if the muffler has collapsed inside, causing me the driving problems, which is one of the possibilities, and I'm not sure whether the O-rings on the fuel injectors are all busted up. I'm about to start checking that out and go from there. Proceed with the smell test for the gas. Initially, I'm just going to smell around everywhere, see if I can smell gas anywhere, which I actually have already done and I couldn't. Guess I'm going to hook up the battery now and make sure that the coil packs are all not working, because I want to go through this in stages, and each stage, like initially I'm just going to turn on the ignition but not hit the starter, and then do a smell test again, see if I can smell it, because that would probably mean that it's coming out of the front end where the fuel rail is. After that, if it still doesn't smell, then we proceed on to the next part and hook up the coil packs, have the engine run, and then see where any smells might be coming from. But just going in steps gives you the advantage of knowing that that step is at least complete. The likelihood that it's going to be the fuel rail, probably pretty high. It's probably just the O-rings and the gaskets, so I might have to unbolt the engine a bit again to do that, but that's not too big of a deal. Okay, back to work.
Just to add a little bit more context as to what happened. Back in March of 2022, when I was driving around and it was cold out, I did not know the spool valve, or anything about a spool valve at that time, would not go over 3,000, 3,500 RPM. So this was one of the problems I was having. By the time I got the car back on the road, it was 10 degrees out, and the problems disappeared. Only come back at me in November, and that's when I found out about the spool valve. And to be honest, I thought I had just done the Immaculate Conception car fixed. Not sure what I had done to make it run, but man, am I good. Only to be crushed finding out it was a change in the weather. Oh well, can't win them all, can you?